My name's Charlie. I graduated from the UTC in 2017. Currently work for a company called Rackspace, who are a web hosting company, who are based in Hayes. But our company specializes in hosting websites for quite large businesses you probably have heard of are like Domino's. We host a lot of metro banks. My job at the beginning was a support specialist, which is more focused around customer service, but it entails a lot of frontline communications with our customers over the phone and over a ticketing system where we look at less complex IT issues that they're facing, and we'll try fix those issues there with them on the phone, or we route those to teams above us to help customers. So it was a great learning experience there. It allowed me to travel the world. I've been to India to train people on how to be a support tech and stuff. So it's opened a lot of avenues for me in terms of like developing my career. I'm a Linux administrator, so I specialize in the OS of Linux, which is very different to Windows. But I learned all that through going through the UTC. I then did a apprenticeship / internship work placement with Rackspace while at the UTC in my last year. And then at the end of it, once I'd finished with the UTC, they asked me for an official interview and then kind of went from there. So that's what I'm up to at the moment. I see my progression going towards into technical management and managing a technical team. Okay. So the company I'm with at the moment give me time to work on projects and stuff and develop those skills with actual leaders in the business. Course and the exposure to real businesses and working with actual people who are in the industry, and it coinciding with the course I was doing was really helpful for me in terms of actually developing those skills early. And also with the course, it allowed us to explore so many avenues in IT that I, before joining, wouldn't have even thought of even existing. Like I think, as with many new students going into IT, a lot of them are very focused around the whole games development, games design, that kind of area, which is what I was interested in initially. But then going through the course at UTC allows you to be exposed to so many different areas of IT where you can really find what interests you the most. But the way the UTC has been run, it really allows students to have a really good personal relationship with teachers as well. It makes learning a lot easier. The opportunities are there. You just have to grab at them and just have a go. IT is the future. Everything is being done with IT now, and forward with how the world is now. It'll open a lot of opportunities for you if you go and do it. And I'd also say keep an open mind in terms of like what you want to do in IT. There's so many different avenues you can take, especially with going through the UTC, that I think it is really beneficial for someone.